Dry carbide waste slag can be used as a substitute for slaking lime. Widely used in construction, chemical industry, metallurgy, agriculture, and other industries. Calcium carbide slag ball press. Transmission of the 4 changes are driven by the motor to drive the hard tooth surface reducer. Reducer low output for 2 shafts parallel surface. According to the gear coupling drive the ball roller relative operation. The feeding machine uses spiral drive and water separator. This kind of transmission mode ball press roller rotation stability. Long service life of the transmission gear. Large drive torque, generally used in metallurgical industry. Second, the motor drives the reducer, and the low-grade output shaft of the reducer is a single shaft. The relative speed of a pair of big gears on the work roller of the ball press is driven by the shaft connecting device. That is, the suspension-type gear transmission mode. 3 is the improved version of the suspension-type gear into a gearbox. Expand the transmission torque. Improve the total output. 4 is the open transmission mode. That is, the motor immediately drives several open transmission gear.